Good evening once again, my dear students and parents of grade 6. As we all know, viruses are among the biggest threats to humanity. With the current pandemic showing how these pathogens can shut down countries, halt entire industries, and cause untold human suffering as they spread through communities. Viruses have also evolved in such a way that they are difficult to kill and so tricky to cure. So, how can we prevent the virus? Let us have a look at the steps we need to take to defeat COVID 19. Please try to avoid any close contact with people who are suffering from fever, cough, cold, or acute respiratory infection.
If you are suffering from any kind of sickness that is mentioned, then you have to first visit your doctor. If the doctor is not available in your locality, there are lots of apps which come on the mobile. You can take that app and share the information with the doctor. Please do not forget to tell where you have recently traveled, and if any other problems you are having, please share with the doctor and take your medicines on time and stay at home until you are completely cured.
And in case if anyone has been confirmed with the virus, please make sure to wear a face mask and prevent the spread of the disease to others.
The next step you should undertake is, as we have shown you in the PPT, while coughing or sneezing, cover your mouth and nose with a flexed elbow, or the best is always use a tissue paper. But don't forget to throw the tissue paper into the dustbin so that if there is any virus, it does not have any room to escape in the environment.
Very, very important thing you must do is wash your hands often with warm and soapy water for at least 20 seconds, especially after going to the bathroom, before eating, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. If soap and water are not readily available, use an alcohol based sanitizer that is easily available in the market. My dear parents and students, humanity has been through a lot of epidemics since its inception, such as plagues, swine flu, bird flu, etc. But in the end, we have always come together and risen up as the stronger force and managed to meet these diseases. So even now, all we need to do is help each other by spreading awareness about these small steps. Stay calm, do not worry, and as history has shown it, this too shall pass. Thank you, my dear students.